Yes, right blue.
Lumberjacks ready. 1, 2, go! Now, folks, the harder you cheer, the harder you're gonna jump. So make sure you remember, this first one's just a practice throw.
Yeah, hit it.
Nice practice throw from Johnny. Now going over.
Whoa.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just stretching, right, guys?
Stretching.
That's right.
Take your practice throw.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, that wraps up our jerks. Ready? 1, 2, go! And they're gonna need your right, you're gonna need your both. Anyway, every captain has 2 great stars for you today. Here we go.
But in all reality, he's a juvenile bald eagle. So bald eagles don't get their full. Triton is only a year old this year, so he's still He's got some growing up to do here, working on our landings a little bit here as well. But he's nowhere near ready to go eagle dating. He's not mature yet. We do have a lot of bald eagles along our western coastline, though. We have anywhere from about stat pay on holiday weekends, making sure that you and I have a nice, clean world to live in. Do you want to live in a world where there's lots of dead, floaty, rotten carcasses all over the place? No, nobody wants to live in a world like that. So vultures, and if we're really, really quiet, she can even hear your thoughts. No, totally not, but definitely really good hearing. And then finally, they do have their third owl superpower, which is their super silent flight. As Danny flies here today over your heads, you might have noticed